Hello everyone. Today we are making a simple and chic elastic waistband skirt. This is a great beginner project, and once you master the pattern, you'll be able to use it for many other designs. First, measure your hips and divide it by 4. Then add half inches for seam allowance. This is for the waistline. Next, measure the desired length of your skirt. Mine is 34 inches including the seam allowance. For the width of at the bottom of the skirt, draw a line of 18 inches. If you want a tighter fit, adjust this to 15 to 16 inches. Connect the end of the waistline to the bottom. For the side line, mark 1 inch above the side line. Connect from that point to about 1/3 of the way down the bottom line. Draw a gentle curve or hemline. Mark the point 1 inch from the top. Connect the end and the spot with the smooth curve for the waistline. Add the fold line sign, and your front skirt pattern is ready. For front lining, mark the point 3.5 inches down the both sides and connect them. For the back panel, mark half inches from the top and connect waist end to the point. The back skirt lining also made by drawing a line 3.5 inches down from the waistline to complete it. Fold your fabric and trace the pattern onto it. Cut one front panel, one back panel, and the linings for each. Sew the side seams of both the front and back panels right sides together. Then serge it. Sew the linings together. Divide the waistline of the skirt and lining into 4 equal parts and mark them. Now attach the skirt and lining, aligning the marked point, and sew. Press the seams toward the lining and do understitch. This will prevent the lining from peeking out later. For the bottom of the lining, you can either fold it twice and sew, or serge it like I do. Prepare the elastic waistband and make sure it stretches comfortably over your hips. Divide it into 4 equal parts and mark them. Attach the elastic band to the wrong side of the lining at the marked parts. Sew it place while stretching the elastic as you go. Tuck the lining inside and sew along the seams together to secure them. Fold the hemline twice and sew it. However, when using slippery and thin fabric like satin, even skilled sewer can end up with a bumpy hem after double folding and stitching. In such case, try this method. First, fold the hem once and stitch it. Then fold it again and stitch it once more. From the inside, you'll see 2 lines of stitches, but from the outside, you'll only see 1 clean line. If you compare, you'll notice that this method gives a much neater finish. Thank you for watching.